Talk number 047. Emergency response in medical situations. A small scratch can turn into major pain if it's not treated properly. The longer you wait to treat even a minor injury, the more likely it is to become a serious medical problem. Delaying first aid can also lead to more expensive treatments later, and it results in lost work time. For example, a company's safety director reviewed 100 reports of disabling injuries. He asked one question: did the injured worker follow instructions? In 45 of those cases, the answer was no. Most of those injuries were minor. But still, because 45 people didn't follow basic instructions, they caused 225 lost workdays. That's almost 9 full months of lost productivity. It's unfortunate that some people feel embarrassed to stop work just long enough for a nurse to clean a cut or treat a scratch. It's even worse when the injured person knows they need first aid, but still refuses it. Some people think, since I'm the one hurt, I know if I need help or not. Others see safety rules as a threat to their freedom. But the best time to stop an infection is when the wound is still fresh. If you ignore a cut, burn, bruise, or bump, you risk serious complications. So don't neglect minor injuries. Take the time to get proper first aid. So far, we've been talking about small injuries. But there's another kind of first aid: emergency aid for serious situations. This is the immediate care given before professional help arrives. Medical emergencies can happen anywhere, at any time. You need to know how to respond, quickly and correctly. Do you know where the first aid kit is? Do you know what to do if a coworker is electrocuted? The basics of saving a life don't change, but the way we give first aid can vary, depending on the environment and the injury itself. If you ever face a serious medical emergency, remember these 5 key points. 1. Don't panic. Stay calm. 2. If immediate action is needed to save a life, like artificial respiration or stopping bleeding, act without delay. 3. Never move an injured person unless it's necessary to protect them from further danger. 4. Carefully examine the victim. 5. Call for professional medical help immediately. With proper training in first aid, you can help reduce the severity of many injuries.